Hi, I'm Helen Reavey, founder of Act+Acre. Does the product look okay? Think about getting back to that natural texture, that natural state of hair, balancing your scalp from root to ends. This is the Scalp Detox. Over time, sweat, dead skin cells, and product build up on the scalp, clogging the hair follicle and stopping nutrients being delivered. This leads to excess oil, scalp conditions like dandruff, hair cycles slow down, and overall feeling of dull, lifeless hair. Sound familiar? The detox gently removes buildup, hydrates the scalp and balances oil, leading to healthier hair growth. Using the nozzle, twist to the top like so, and you're going to trace it along the hairline, not squeezing or shaking. An inch apart, you're going to trace it the whole way down the back of the scalp. It's so easy to do, and it literally takes 2 minutes. You can use a little bit on your fingertips, massage in, just to get to the back area where you might have missed. Gently massage. Oh, it feels so good and smells amazing. Once you've finished massaging in, you're going to leave for 10 to 20 minutes to allow it to do its magic. Then you're going to rinse out and double cleanse. Just like a facial, but for your scalp. The Scalp Renew is a gel-based formula that gently removes buildup, balances oil, stimulates blood flow, and helps with dryness. This treatment is perfect for anyone with scalp conditions like dandruff, psoriasis, or any inflammation. The Scalp Renew is so easy to use. You're going to apply it once a week before showering. You're going to trace it along the hairline, just squeezing lightly, and then an inch apart. Again, following the hair the whole way down the back of the head. You can also squeeze a little bit out onto your fingertips, and you're going to massage it in. Oh, you can really feel and smell that peppermint oil. It's so cooling. Oh, it feels amazing. Once you massaged in, you're going to leave that for 10 to 20 minutes. Then you're going to rinse out and double cleanse. Our co-processed stem cell serum uses apple stem cells to help reduce hair thinning, scalp dryness, and hair fallout. The stem cell is applied directly to your scalp after showering on cleansed hair. And it comes with this cool little button and pipette. Press the button like that and release the button. Voila! Through your parting, you're going to do 1 to 2 drops, maybe 3. 1, 2, 3. Do the same on the other side. So I'm using probably about 3 to 4 pipettes for the whole scalp. Make sure you get a little bit around the crown area and back. It helps fight against sun damage and pollution. It's so nice and hydrating and so smooth. Actually, you can even put it all over your face. So once you massage that in, you're going to style your hair however you like. Your scalp is going to feel super hydrated, relaxed, and it's going to feel like you just left the salon.